I am excited to share the results of our master bedroom bathroom renovation. As you see, the old bathroom, even though it was relatively new, had some serious underlying issues, primarily water leakage and seepage. So we decided to strip it all back and start fresh. The first step was breaking down those smaller, older tiles that only went up to about 7 feet. We also removed all the old plumbing fixtures, including sunken concrete and concealed sanitary pipes. Plastering work to create even surface. And then come to the crucial part, the plumbing renovation. Plumbing team really did an amazing job here, ensuring everything was up to scratch and leak-proof to really combat those water issues. We applied 2 times waterproofing solution from floor to wall up to 3 feet. This gives us that extra layer of protection against any future seepage. Just not about plumbing. We also took opportunity to update electricals, adding new light points, geyser points and other required electrical points to more functional. Here we provided anti-skid tiles for the floor, vitrified 2x4 tiles for the wall, laid the ceiling. These clean lines here. We used the horizontal space joint and vertical paper joint for a really sleek look. And to finish off those sharp edges, including around the window, we used corner beading for professional touch. Here we installed single piece 3D rimless commode and plumbing fixtures include an overhead shower, wall mixer tap and wash basin from the brand Premium Sera. Ventilation is key in any bathroom, so we replaced it with old window to a new UPVC window and added an exhaust fan. This will really help to keep the space fresh and prevent moisture buildup. In this bathroom, we replaced the wooden door to a WPC door, which is 100% waterproof, termite proof and fire resistant. And you can paint it any color you want, like this.
This is about the master bedroom bathroom renovation.
This is a newly remodeled common bathroom. Let's take a look at how it was before. Before in this bathroom, there is no provision for geyser. Now we provided provision for geyser here and provided floating vanity cabinet here. The other updates are similar to the master bedroom bathroom renovation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos about old home renovation, house structural renovation, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation and interior design updates.
If you want to turn your old home into a modern home, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.